Hello everybody, welcome to another Minecraft video. And, you know, that last video, Sandy turning demented and everything, was kind of bad. And apparently, there's some people here that know a lot about him, but they refuse to tell everyone and they live there. So, they're YouTubers. Dan and TrueMC are already trying to take them out, Dan TVM that is. And TrueMC, anyway. Hey Grim, you need to stay there. So I'm gonna go meet them. So yeah, I'm gonna take my TDM goggles because they're really awesome. And you know what? I'm gonna take this. And also, what short range weapon should I take? We'll take the bird sword. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go meet them. By the way, this is, yeah, I told you, they know a lot about Demented Sandy and everything. So I'm gonna go meet them. So the entrance is up there. It's a cow. There they are. Okay, follow me guys. Let's go. I'm gonna run out of hunger because I need that hunger. I know we should normally go in at night, you know. Yeah, but we decided let's just go a day. You can see better, everything like that. In movies, they always go at night, and it's a horrible idea. Okay, I can see that guy through the window. I wish I had my sniper. Oh, Grim? Oh no, he followed me. Oh, bad Grim. Oh, he scared me. Where's Dan? Dan? Dan, are you still down there? Oh my gosh, Dan, where are you? So... Oh, what is he holding? What is he holding? Oh, no. Okay. Hello. Miss. No. Stand back, back. Hey, Dan! Yeah, that was one down. Go take him. Oh, he's got epic swords. Nice one. Oh, there you are, Dan. Oh my gosh, the two duos. What are they doing? It's a duo. Stand back. Oh, how dare you? You're trying to hide from me? Yay, he's dead. Okay, you go take him. Oh, it's Joe Buzz. It's Joe Buzz. And it's Honey. Oh, help. Stupid Dan, get out. No, oh my gosh. It's the duo of the Hunger Game thing. Oh, it's the Atlantic Cross. Oh, help me. Hi, Grim. Hey, Grim. Oh my gosh, let's get together. Let's get together. Oh my gosh, they killed Dan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is Dan dead? Dan's dead. Dan is dead. Okay, that's not good. That is seriously not good. Okay, these guys are dead. Oh, that guy's dead. Gizzy's dead. Now just. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Get up. Let me up. Cody Maverick. Oh, it's Cody Maverick. Drum is dead. Come on, Drum. See, we can do this. He's still moving. Oh, it's probably Amos. Dang it. He's dead. He's dead. Get me answers. I want answers. Oh no, Vegetarian Joe, but still. Oh, I think they're mad. We killed the duo. We killed. Whoa! Oh! Get me out! Get off! Oh my gosh, there's a duo. The duo's here. Come on, run from Treehouse City. Oh, by the way, go check out Sandy One's thing. Come on, Ramsey, take him. Can't believe we're killing them. Oh my gosh, that's so evil. But we need answers. Okay. Joe, give us answers. Answers? Answers. Stop hopping up and down. Oh my gosh. Just kill him. He's the last one left. So we're gonna need to... Where'd he go? Where'd he just go? Did he just die? Probably would have heard. Did he just... Oh, Grim fell. Okay. Okay, I hope Grim's fine. I think Joe Buzz just fell. That's inside deserted place now. Well, I should be meeting up with Radar 105 in about a month, so... Just go take out the exploding TNT. I can't believe I killed Dan. Oh, okay, my armor's... Time to punch. You go take him out. Okay. Oh, so bad. Oh, Grim, I'm sorry you had to see that. Oh my gosh, there he is. There he is. How do I take? What? Okay, he's okay. Whoopoo! Oh, miss. Can we take him out? Take him out. Punch. Go take him out. Dude, stop following me. Wow, Jobos. Oh, it's a big chase. Big chase. Well, that was bad. That place is completely deserted. We should, maybe one person is still out there. Well, we're gonna take him, we're gonna knock him. Okay, we're gonna knock him out. Oh yeah, people are still up there. We need answers against that Sandy one. Oh, he's so sad. Yeah, there's some people over there. I wonder who they are. Who are they? I think Baby Canadian's dead. Yeah, Baby Canadian's. Oh, either the 6 quid's not dead. We'll leave him. We need him. Still. Oh, people are also down there. Who's that? Are you seriously trying to get away? I'm gonna punch you off the edge, dude. Ow, that looks painful. Who cares though? Oh! Get him, get him. Get him, get him. Oh! No. No. Oh, he pushed me off the edge. Ow. Oh. Okay. That was gruesome and deadly. Headshot. No, damn it, I missed a headshot. Okay. Oh. Away. Good. Well. Strange. Kind of strange, actually. Hold on a minute. Sorry, I just need to do that for some reason. I'm sorry, just to show off some of my background. Okay, I don't see anyone else. People are still up there. Oh, slimes. Away. Kill. Yeah, thank you. We're the good guys. What do I hear, Reaper? Honeydew, I knew you weren't dead. Face the consequences of my punch. Ow! Kill him. I knew he wasn't dead. He was hiding. Ow. Where are you going with this, agent? Ow! Oh my gosh, they got amazing weapons. Oh, this is so... Oh my gosh, they took out barely any of my health. They took out 4% and 6%. 4.6% of my health down, which is kind of bad, but if there was a lot of them, like there was, Dan protected me, but then he died. So we got MC, and he's not dead yet. Okay. Oh no, somebody else. This must be the last person. Nope, he's not the last person. You. Oh! Oh gosh. Oh no, slimes are everywhere. Oh no, my gosh. Oh, okay, run. Oh my gosh, the cow's vicious. Ow. I wish I had my shotgun with me. No! Oh my gosh, no. Protect me. Protect me from the dark ages. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Oh, I've only got 3 points. Whoa, that's a lot. No! Uh-oh. 3.5% only. 3.5% only. Run! You see the base camp or base, whatever. I'm totally gonna die. And I think I'm out of health. Help me! Oh my gosh. Crumpsy, yes please. Oh, what the, oh, if I take another hit then I'm dead. If I take another hit then I'm dead. Oh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Truant. Oh, I know I should have taken the helmet. Taken the helmet, whatever. Ow. It's decided now that they take out the ammo. Oh. Guys. Oh. Look at my health. Trumpy. Stop following me. Get outside. And take out monsters. Okay, come on. Are you coming? Trumpy. Follow. I'm not going off. Ow! Oh. Okay, that's the end of this episode. Oh, weird ending. Goodbye, people.